I'll take this. I think this might be the unsweetened one, but let's try.
So how much did the total cost again? It was like 100 Rand.
3 USD.
Yeah, so 3 USD.
I think this is the unsweetened one too.
Okay, awesome.
But it tastes really good. It's like almost nutty.
Yeah, how's it different from soy milk in the US?
I've never had soy milk in the US.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You want to try the pastry too?
Yeah, let's try.
Yeah, which pastry did you use?
What's it called? Something.
I think it was bao bing. Bao means thin, and bing means pastry.
So it has sesame in it.
And white sesame. Yeah, and we had a very nice lady that was helping us decide what to order.
It's good.
Starting off strong with fresh handmade noodles with a nutty sesame sauce, nori, and scallions. An absolute star. Time for some salad. Sweet cabbage, papaya, and a bit of succulent with a ton of juice inside. All drizzled with miso sesame sauce. How's the hike going?
Why are we recording this? What do you think it's gonna be?
So here I have like amarant, and I also have fish mushrooms, and I also have this is like water spinach, and then what else do I have? Oh, and I also have white quinoa noodles, and I also have some pumpkin. I think mine would be like 280. No, I actually think 310. Let's go with that. Yeah.
I think mine's gonna be similar. I think it'll be like 310.
Yeah.
Are you excited to try?
Yes. It's very strong. And the potato is also.
We ended the evening with some nut milk and sweet potato. Bye bye!